Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching this week's super cool fold. It's just really fun. I wanted to share something fun today, and I've been hanging on to this one, waiting for the right moment. I just love this. I think you will too. This is from my friends at French Paper Company in Niles, Michigan. Family-owned, 6 generations business, and they make all sorts of beautiful papers, and this is for their speckle tone craft sheet, and it's such a fun piece. It's interactive. Sometimes print is just a keepsake, a memento, something to interact with. This is a really cool, fun brochure that they produce. Technically it's a trifold, but it's got some really fun little elements and a pop-out element. So check this out. It's got a little tongue that sticks out on the cover through a die cut right here. There's also little die cuts for the eyes. It's a face. It says French Paper Company, crafted in America, crafted with a K for craft paper. And then it's got these really nice die cuts going on, all on the cover. It's a face, obviously. But then on the back panel, so this is the front, on the back, you can see here that the tongue that's sticking through is actually right here. So it's coming off of this panel and crosses through to the cover. And so you can see that these die cuts go right through, and that's how the tongue goes through there. And then it opens up like this, and it's actually a punch out artisanal. It says artisanal perf out put on selfie beard, and it says hashtag craft yourself. So there's just a fun kind of social media element with this. You can see the nice shape going on. This is all perfed here, and then I've already taken one out for everybody, and you punch it out, and it's this fun beard with a little ear, you know, the spot to place it over your ears and over your face, and it's just really fun. This is on their 140-pound speckle tone craft sheet. And if you want to see, by the way, a concept somewhat like this that was done for an invitation, check out the custom digitally printed glasses in episode 363 that punch out of an invitation for a special event. So check that out too. So just fun and interactive. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Creative trifold with punch out beard. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.